Good morning, students. Today, continuous chapter coordinate geometry. Last class explained area of triangle. That formula is based to solve the problems. Find the area of the quadrilateral whose bases taken in order are -4 -2, -3 -5, 3 -2, and 2 3. Now solving the first problem. Find the area of quadrilateral. Taken rough diagram quadrilateral. Taken rough diagram quadrilateral whose bases 4. There are A, B, C, D. Is denoted A x1 y1, B x2 y2, and C x3 y3. Now given A -4 2, -4 -2, and B -3 -5, and C 3 -2. Then the quadrilateral is divided two triangles. They are A, B, C. One of the triangle, and second one A, C, D. The first one area of triangle ABC solving. Let A -4 -2, B -3 -5, and C 3 -2. That equal to A equal to x1 y1, and B equal to x2 y2, and C equal x3 y3. So area of triangle ABC. Using the formula of modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Now substitute the values of modulus x1 is -4 into y2 minus y3. y2 is -5 minus y3 is -2. Plus x2. x2 is -3 into y3 minus 5. y3 -2. In formula minus y1 is also -2. Plus x3. x3 is 3 into y1 minus y2. y1 -2. Formula minus y2 is -5. Then simplify half modulus -4 into -5 minus plus. So -5 plus 2 is equal -3 plus -3 into -2 minus plus. So -2 plus 2 is 0 plus 3 into -2 minus plus. So -2 plus 5 is 3. That is equal of modulus -4 into -3 or plus -3 into 0 0 plus 3 into 3 9. That is equal of modulus 21. Then modulus remove, that is equal to half into 21. That is equal to 10.5. The next one, another triangle. Area of triangle ACD. Now take A is equal to -4 -2. B is equal to C is equal to 3 -2. And D is equal to 3. So let A x1 y1, C x2 y2, and D x3 y3. Then area of triangle ACD. Area of triangle ACD. Now take same formula, half modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. When value is substituted, half into x1. x1 is minus 4 into y2 minus y3. So minus 2 minus 3 plus x2 3 into y3 minus y1. y3 is 3 minus y1 is minus 2 plus x3. x3 is 2 into y1 minus y2. y1 minus 2 and y2 minus 2. So minus 2 formula minus and y2 is minus 2. Then simplify, half modulus minus 4 into minus 5 plus 3 into 3 minus plus, so 3 plus 2 5 plus 2 into minus 2 plus 2 is 0. Then half modulus 20 plus 15 plus 0, that is equal half modulus 35. Then modulus remove half into 35, that is equal 17.5. Then totally area of ABCD quadrilateral. Therefore area of ABCD quadrilateral is equal area of triangle ABC is first quadrant and second one area of triangle ACD. This total is equal area of quadrilateral. So area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. So area of triangle ABC, the value is 10.5 plus area of triangle ACD value is equal 17.5. That is equal 10 plus 17, 27, and 0.5 plus 0.5 is 1. So 28 square units. So area of triangle ABCD, area of quadrilateral ABCD is 28 square units. And next one, find area of triangle using Heron's formula. 4 problems are given. I explain one problem, and remaining 3 problems are practiced.
ఇటు పక్క చేయండి సార్ గీత కొట్టి పడతా సార్ సార్ కానీ బిట్లు బిట్లు చూసాను బిట్లు బిట్లు వస్తుంది కదా
The second problem, find the area of triangle formed by the points by using Heron's formula. This is the first problem, 1 1, 1 4 and 5 1. 1 1, 1 4 and 5 1. Okay? These 3 points, A 1 1 and B 1 4 and C 5 1. Let us Rough diagram, primary basic. These verses, capital letters of A, B, C. So A 1 1 and B 1 4 and C 5 1. Opposite vertex A is equal length of BC is denoted small a. Opposite vertex length of BC is equal small a. Opposite capital B is equal length of AC is small b. The next one, opposite vertex C is equal length of AB is denoted small c. So we first find out small a, b and small c. Okay, using first distance formula. Distance formula. Distance formula is equal square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now the value of a is equal to a is equal length of BC. A is equal length of BC. So BC bar, that is equal. Substitute that values x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now take the length of BC. So B is x1 y1 and C is x2 y2. So x2 minus x1, x2 5, x1 1. So 5 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. y2 4, y1 y1. Sorry, y2 1, y1 4. So 1 minus 4. x2 minus x1, x2 5, x1 1. So 5 minus 1 whole square. Plus y2 minus y1, y2 1, y1 4. So 1 minus 4 whole square. That is equal square root of 5 minus 1, 4, 4 square 16. Plus 1 minus 4, minus 3, minus 3 square 9. So root 25. 25 root value 5. The next one, small b. That is equal, b is equal length of AC. Length of AC. Now take A is x1 y1 and C is x2 y2. The value is substituted in formula square root of x2 minus x1. x2 5, x1 1. So 5 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. y2 is x1 y1 is x2 y2. So 1 1 minus 1 whole square. 5 minus 1 whole square is equal to 16. 5 minus 1, 4 and 4 square 16. Plus 1 minus 1, 0. 0 square 0. So root 16 is equal to 4. And next step, C value. C is equal length of AB. Using the distance formula, to substitute this values AB. So A once x1 y1 and B x2 y2. So root of x2 minus x1 whole square. x2 1 x1 1. So 1 minus 1 whole square plus B y2 minus y1 whole square. y2 4 y1 1. So 4 minus 1 whole square. That is equal square root of 1 minus 1 square 0. 4 minus 1 3, 3 square 9. So root 9 is equal 3. Now the values A 5, B 4 and C 3. A is equal to 5, B is equal to 4 and C is equal to 3. Using Heron's formula, area of triangle ABC Using Heron's formula, square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Now s is equal to a plus b plus c by 2. That is equal to a5 plus b4 plus c3 by 2. That is equal to 12 by 2. That equals 6. Now s value is equal 6. So value substitute square root of s6 into s6 minus a5 into s6 minus b4 into 6 minus c3. That equal to square root of 6 into 1 into 6 minus 4 2 into 6 minus 3 3. That is equal square root of 6 1 6 6 2 is 12 12 3 is 36. 36 square root value is equal 6. Therefore area of triangle ABC is 6 square units. So next repeat the same program. Now the verses 1 1 1 4 and 5 1. First take rough diagram triangle ABC A11 B14 and C51. Versus A opposite is small a, versus B opposite side is small b, and versus C opposite side is small c. Now take A is equal to BC, length of BC. So using distance formula, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Thus formula, substitute the values. BC length, B is x1 y1 and C is x2 y2. So x2 minus x1, x2 5, x1 1. So 5 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1, 1 minus 4 whole square. 5 minus 1, 4 square 16. 1 minus 4, 3. Minus 3 square 9. 16 plus 9 is 25. So square root 25 is 5. In the same, similarly, B is equal to length of AC and C is equal to length of AB. This length taken distance formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, square root of. And next now A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 4 and C is equal to 3. Using area of triangle ABC, using Heron's formula, square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Now s is equal to a plus b plus c by 2. Then a 5, b 4 and c 3. 5 plus 4 plus 3 by 2. So totally 12 by 2 is equal to 6. So s value is 6. A, B, C values. Implement this formula. So root of 6 into 6 minus 5 into 6 minus 4 into 6 minus 3. 6 into 6 minus 5 1, 6 minus 4 2, 6 minus 3 3. So this product is 36 root 36, that is equal 6. Now area of triangle is equal to 6 square units. And next remaining 3 problems are practice Heron's formula today.